Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp lo mein. Start by boiling noodles until just tender, then rinse under cold water to stop cooking. While noodles cool, devine shrimp, slice carrots, cabbage, and scallions, and mix a sauce of soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Heat a wok, cook shrimp briefly, stir-fry vegetables until crisp, toss noodles with sauce, and serve hot. Gather ingredients and make the sauce while your noodles are cooling. Mix 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tsp sesame oil, and a little sugar for balance, then set aside. Devine and pat dry 8 oz shrimp and season lightly with salt and pepper. Chop 1 cup mixed vegetables and 2 scallions. Keep everything within arm's reach so stir-frying is fast and smooth without. Heat your wok until it's very hot, then add oil and sear shrimp for just 1 to 2 minutes until pink and opaque. Remove shrimp, add a bit more oil, and stir-fry vegetables quickly to keep them crisp and vibrant. Return shrimp, add drained noodles, pour sauce over everything, and toss for another 1 to 2 minutes so sauce coats noodles evenly. Finish with scallions and serve immediately while hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.